So the other day, my friend was making brisket and I got jealous. So what I do, I went out and bought a $50 brisket. This is a 20-pound brisket. We're gonna be testing out a new meat thermometer that was sent to us by Comfier. And we'll be doing that tomorrow, but right now, come on in close. We're gonna show you how to season this. He's probably gonna gross you out. I'm gonna coat it with bacon grease. Just a little bit, just give it some flavor. A little bit over here. Now here's the deal, okay? You wanna rub it all in. This way the seasoning will stick. It's like instead of oiling it. All right, so this is gonna be cooked more than this because it's a lot thinner. So we're gonna take it to 185. This will probably be more like 200, 205. This will be about 195. And it should be perfect. All right, in a bowl, I put some of my favorite seasonings. Some chili powder, some coffee grounds, some smoked paprika, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix that up right now in the bowl. Just with my fingers. We're gonna do it all with our hand. And put it on. Want to give you a close-up look at it. Look at that. We've already set the target temperature to 185. I've already installed the app on my phone, so my phone is ready to set off an alarm once it reaches that 185. It's a beautiful 57 degrees outside. Great day to do barbecue. All right, we got the thermometer hooked up. We are getting it to 250 degrees. It's starting to smoke. We're gonna close it up and everything's in place. The thermometer is in the meat right now. The meat's almost at 160. When it reaches 160, we're gonna wrap it and baste it and then put it back in wrapped. Today we're using the Shed Beef Blaster. Tammy gave me the A-OK on this sauce. We're gonna baste it and then we're going to wrap it up. So we're gonna pour it down the middle. Look at that. We're gonna leave it on there like that. Nice. We reached temperature. We're at 195 right now. Now we're gonna place it in this cooler and let it cool down for about an hour. All right, still using the wood handle reserve knives, but they're gonna be retired soon. We're gonna be doing a knife video coming up in the next few weeks, so be looking for that. So this will be one of the rare times, last times you'll see the V-bells. All right, here we go. Can you see that? It's hard because I normally cut with my other hand. But I want to show you. This thing is so wet. I'm gonna let Tammy try a piece and I'll tell you how it is. Look at that. Look how wet that is. All right, this is my favorite part of the whole episode. So we'll give this a try. So tender on that part. Hold on. I gotta try one more time. Yeah, it's just falling apart. Lots of fat on this one if you like fat. Lots of well done if you like well done. Lots of rare if you like rare. It's pretty much everything you want. There you go. The thermometer by Comfier. Okay, I want to thank the company for sending it to the show because that thermometer is going to a very happy home. I'll see you later. See you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.